How to create a wiki with Google Sites. What is a wiki? A wiki is a collaborative digital space where people can create, edit, and organize content together. It's commonly used in education, projects, and knowledge sharing. Think of it like an editable encyclopedia made by a team. Google Sites is a perfect free tool to build your own wiki, especially for classroom or group activities. Step 1. Sign in to Google Sites, preferably with a new Google account. To begin, go to sites.google.com. You will need a Gmail account to create your wiki. We recommend that you create a new Gmail account specifically for this project. Why? Because it gives you a fresh Google Drive to store all the documents, images, videos, and materials you'll need for your wiki. It helps you keep the project organized and separate from your personal files. Step 2. Start a new wiki. Click blank site to begin a new site. Name your wiki. Example, English Grammar Wiki or Wiki Guide. Step 3. Group collaboration. Once signed in and your wiki named, you will be able to collaborate with your group by sharing access to both the site and the Drive folder. Collaboration is an essential part of a wiki. Everyone in your team should contribute and edit the content. Step 4. Create the homepage, main wiki page. This page introduces your wiki. Add a welcome message, your topic, and a brief explanation of what users will find inside. Step 5. Add pages as wiki entries. Go to the Pages tab on the right. Click the plus button to add a new page for each topic. For example, video, feedback, activity. Each page becomes an article or section of your wiki. Step 6. Connect pages using internal links. Inside your text, highlight a word or phrase. Click the link icon and choose another page in your site to create easy navigation between sections. Just like a real wiki. Step 7. Add multimedia and educational tools. From the Insert tab, you can add text boxes, images, for example illustrations, embedded videos, and Google Docs or slides. Step 8. Customize the look of your wiki. Use the Themes tab to choose colors and fonts. Add a banner or header image that fits your topic. Make it easy to read and visually clean. Step 9. Publish your wiki. Click Publish. Choose a simple and clear web address, for example, Wiki Guide. Remember, you can always go back to your Google site, make updates, add new pages, and adjust content whenever you need to. But don't forget to click on the Publish button to actually visualize those changes. And that's it! Now you know how to create your very own wiki on Google Site from scratch. Google Sites is completely free, easy to use, and perfect for students, teachers, and anyone looking to share knowledge online. Whether you're working on a class project, organizing community information, or simply expressing your creativity, we hope you found this guide helpful. Now it's your turn to start creating.